media library contains all media types from images to PDFs that are uploaded and used on your website. In this section we will look at how to set captions, alt text, as well as crop, flip or scale an image in your library. To reach the media library, go to your admin dashboard and click Media in the left side menu. This will take you to the main library page where you can view thumbnails of your media items. Note that you can upload single or multiple files to the library by simply dragging and dropping from your computer onto the library page. All uploaded images are then processed, creating various sized options for use in different parts of the site. Once a media item has been uploaded to the library, it can be inserted into an article using the image block. You can also do some basic editing of an image directly in the media library. Clicking on any thumbnail in the library will bring up the details for that media item. Here you can set alternative text, a caption and description which will remain set wherever the item appears, although this can be overwritten on per case basis. Below the image there is an Edit Image button which will allow you to permanently edit the image itself. Once you click on the Edit Image button, a new page will appear with options to crop, rotate, flip or scale the image. To crop the image, simply click and drag your pointer over the image to create a selection crop box with handles for easy adjustment. If you are satisfied with the crop selection, apply it by clicking on Crop button above the image and then click Save. Rotation and flipping can be adjusted with their respective buttons above the image. Be sure to click the Save button to apply any edits. Finally, you can set the image dimensions directly and apply a new scale on the right. Note you can select to have these edits apply to all the auto-generated image sizes, or just the thumbnails.